Your car is essentially a living room on wheels. But let's be honest, most of them are still living in the past. While car manufacturers brag about new infotainment screens that are just glorified tablets, the real innovation is happening in the aftermarket world. Today on Smart Gadget Picks, we're looking at gear that changes how your car breathes, looks, and even thinks. From literal magic phone mounts to high-speed turbines that make a leaf blower look like a hairdryer, these are the ultimate smart gadget picks to upgrade your ride right now. Let's dive into the future. 140,000 RPM mini turbo blower first up. Let's talk about raw power in the palm of your hand. If you've ever tried to dry those annoying side mirrors after a wash, you know a microfiber towel only gets you so far. Enter the 140,000 RPM mini turbo blower. This isn't your average shop vac. This is a brushless motor powerhouse that spins fast enough to create a literal jet stream, stripping water off a ceramic-coated hood in seconds. But the real pro tip? Interior detailing. It blasts dust out of impossible-to-reach AC vents and seat crevices perfectly. It turns a 2-hour cleaning session into a 20-minute breeze. V16 Cloud Beacon. Next, we're moving from cleaning to critical safety with a massive high-tech twist. If your car breaks down at night, the last thing you want to do is walk down a dark highway to set up a plastic triangle. The V16 Cloud Beacon is a magnetic, high-intensity strobe you just pop onto your roof without leaving the driver's seat. But here's the cloud part. The moment it's activated, it sends an encrypted signal to local traffic authorities and navigation apps like Waze. It instantly pins your breakdown location for oncoming drivers to see on their dashboard before they even turn the corner. LumiLore Trim. If you want your car to look like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie, forget about cheap LED strips that peel off your dash in the summer heat. Check out LumiLore Trim. This isn't just a light, it's electroluminescent paint, simplified for your interior and exterior trim. It turns any surface into a seamless light source. It's ultra-thin, follows your car's body lines perfectly, and when off, looks like standard trim. But flip the switch? The surface glows with a cold, neon electric hue. No hot spots, no visible bulbs. Highlight your grille or door panels for the ultimate futuristic flex. OBD 11. NextGen ever looked at your dashboard and felt locked out of your own car's brain? You need the OBD11 NextGen. Most people think an OBD2 scanner is just for clearing a pesky check engine light, but this is a skeleton key for your car's software. It's a pocket-sized Bluetooth dongle that syncs right to your smartphone. The game changer is its one-click apps. Want to enable the aggressive needle sweep animation? One click. Unlock video in motion? One click. It's professional-grade coding made incredibly simple, giving you total control over hidden features the manufacturer locked behind a paywall. MagSafe Peltier. Mount heat is the silent killer of smartphones, especially when running GPS and wireless charging. Simultaneously, most phone mounts are just plastic claws, but the MagSafe Peltier mount is an active cooling system. It uses a solid-state heat pump to physically chill the back of your phone. Think of it like a miniature refrigerator pressed against your processor. While standard chargers slow down from heat buildup, this mount keeps your device ice-cold even under direct sunlight through the windshield. It snaps on with industrial-strength magnets to keep your battery health in the green, while delivering a fast, consistent charge. Fanttik V9. Mate. Let's talk about the nightmare scenario, a flat tire in the middle of a rainstorm. The Fanttik Facelift 9 Mate is the ultimate peace of mind gadget every trunk needs. This isn't just a portable inflator, it's a high-performance cordless air station. With a massive internal battery and dual-cylinder motor, it pumps up a car tire in minutes. It features a massive LED display to preset your PSI, shutting off automatically once it hits the target. Plus, it has a built-in high-lumen flashlight and a power bank feature to jumpstart your dead phone. It's rugged, compact, and incredibly powerful. Devil Eyes LED. If you want your car to have an aggressive attitude the second you unlock it, the Devil Eyes LED kit is the ultimate aesthetic upgrade. These are high-intensity, multicolor projectors that sit behind your existing headlight lenses. Controlled entirely via a smartphone app, you can change the gaze of your car to any color in the RGB spectrum. Want a sinister deep red or an electric blue? Done! The best part is the safety integration. When you turn on your actual headlights, the Devil Eyes automatically switch off or turn to a street-legal white, keeping you compliant and looking stealthy. Thinkware U3000 today, a dashcam is an absolute insurance necessity, and the Thinkware U3000 is the gold standard. This 4K UHD powerhouse captures license plates with terrifyingly crisp detail, even at highway speeds. What sets it apart is its radar parking mode. Most dashcams drain your battery recording empty streets, but this unit uses built-in radar to sense motion near the car. It stays in a low-power sleep state until someone gets too close, then springs to life. This allows it to monitor your car for days on a single charge, cutting through windshield glare with cinema-quality footage. Solar-powered active foam mount. We've all fumbled with a cheap phone mount while driving. The solar-powered active phone mount feels like alien technology. On the back is a high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panel that keeps the internal battery topped up using just the sunlight hitting your dashboard. Because it has its own independent power source, it uses infrared sensors to detect your phone. As you bring your device close, the motorized arms whisper open and firmly clamp down automatically. It's a completely hands-free experience requiring zero wiring. That robotic zip sound it makes is incredibly satisfying every single time you drive. Electric rotating car. Wash brush. Taking your car through a scratchy automatic wash ruins your paint, but doing it by hand is a grueling workout. The electric rotating car wash brush saves your elbows and your clear coat. This is a high-torque, water-powered turbine system. As water flows through the handle, it spins the inner, ultra-soft microfiber head at high speeds, scrubbing away road grime and bug guts automatically. It's designed with a flow-through system, meaning clean water constantly flushes the dirt out of the bristles, so you aren't swirling sand around. It leaves a professional-grade shine in half the time. Center console, mini fridge. Planning a road trip? Lukewarm soda is officially a thing of the past. The center console mini fridge is a luxury upgrade that used to be reserved for six-figure SUVs. This isn't a basic cooler relying on melting ice packs. It's a dedicated compressor-based refrigerator that integrates seamlessly into your armrest. It pulls temperatures down to a frosty 20 degrees Fahrenheit in under 15 minutes. Imagine reaching down during a long desert drive and pulling out a perfectly chilled water. It's whisper quiet, draws minimal power, and features battery protection so it won't leave your car stranded. A AI-powered 4K dashcam with ADAS. Finally, we have the brain of your vehicle's safety suite, the AI-powered 4K dashcam. While standard cameras just record, this unit literally thinks. Using an advanced driver assistance system, the camera's AI processor analyzes the road in real time. As you drive, the screen highlights pedestrians in yellow boxes and vehicles in green. If the car ahead slams on its brakes, the AI calculates the closing speed and screams a collision warning before your reflexes even kick in. It tracks lane departures and distracted driving. It doesn't just provide evidence, it actively works to prevent accidents entirely. Your car is more than just a way to get from point A to point B. It's a direct extension of your lifestyle. Whether you're looking to boost your daily safety with an AI dashcam, level up your aesthetics with some devil eyes, or just keep your drinks ice cold on a long haul, these gadgets prove that the future of driving is already here. Most of these picks are available right now. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Gadget Picks. Which gadget are you installing first? Let us know below.